Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has said that a mafia is illegally controlling street vending spaces in Bengaluru, claiming that rowdies are collecting money from hawkers. He said the government has gathered detailed information and would act against those involved. Speaking during his inspection of the city's Safe Footpath campaign on July 10th, Shivkumar said the government was not against street vendors, but wanted to regulate vending in a way that protected both livelihoods and pedestrians. He said dedicated vending zones would be identified and push carts would be provided so vendors could conduct business without occupying footpaths and major roads. The Chief Minister said vendors would be allowed to operate on designated roads, but permanent structures, tents, and encroachments on busy roads would not be permitted. He added that the campaign had the full backing of the state government and praised Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda for leading the initiative. Defending the drive, Shivkumar said more than 900 pedestrians had lost their lives over the past 3 years, partly due to the lack of safe footpaths. He said the government was also acting in line with Supreme Court directions, adding that while some decisions may appear harsh, they were necessary in the larger public interest. The Chief Minister also announced that a decision on the long-pending Jayanagar Market project would be taken soon. He said part of the project had already been completed, while the remaining work would be taken up under a suitable scheme.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೀದಿ ಬದಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಷ್ಟೇ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಆದರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ವಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಫಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ತಂದು ಕೆಲವರು ಇವರು ರೌಡಿಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಬಿಡೋದು, ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ GP ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದವರು ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ.